AF. Happy Friday, my friends. This is Lindsay coming back at you with another daily work from home job lead. We will not waste any time. We will just dive on in. Just know if you are interested in applying, the links to this are in the YouTube description box below. And on this one, you can ignore the fact that it says remote within the Philippines right up here in the top, because down here it does currently say thumbtackers can live anywhere in Ontario or British Columbia, Canada, or in the Philippines, or in any of the following United States states. And it lists a lot of them. So they are hiring in Canada, the Philippines, and the US. But the company Thumbtack is hiring a customer support specialist. Now, they say a home to live in is the biggest investment that most people make, and yet it doesn't come with a manual. And so they're building an app that homeowners need to effortlessly manage their homes. So they are looking for someone to join their customer success team to help create user experiences that are simple, valuable, and inspired. So you'll maintain excellent knowledge of Thumbtack's products and services after completing their training and onboarding program. So they do provide training. You'll participate in 30 to 40 inbound requests daily with users to determine the best solution to get the jobs done and help grow the small business. You'll troubleshoot and resolve any user inquiries with effective problem-solving skills. Now, please note with this job, you will have to maintain high performance metrics, including quality and resolution rate. Now, if that sounds like you, they are looking for someone who is customer obsessed and understands what it takes to provide a great customer experience. Someone who can work in a fast-paced environment with a tech startup. Someone who has great English verbal and written communication skills and great conflict resolution skills. They do not require any kind of college degree. Now, one thing to note, pay is always dependent on location and experience, so that is not listed. You will have to ask that at the time of the interview, but they do provide quite a few benefits, including stipends for remote work from home, home office setup, and internet. So they provide extra money not only to set up your home office, but they pay for your internet. In North America, so if you're in Canada or the US, they also reimburse you for your cell phone bill. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.